Okay, so first of all, no talking.
She's recording a video.
First of all, I want you to mount the paper parallel to the T-square on the table. So what that means, first of all, this is the T-square, looks like a T. And the top edge of this paper needs to be parallel to that bar. So then you tape it.
Yo, I can't see your big ass head in the way, bro.
You have a pencil, I forgot to bring the pencil. Okay. Oh, that's not a pencil. You need a sharp pencil.
Perfect.
And you need a lead.
There's lead in there.
Nah, no way.
Can somebody
lead.
have a pencil?
Bro, just give up, bro. Give up, bro. Give up or just sharpen your pencil.
Who has a sharp pencil?
Do you want to go get my book bag?
Okay, so first of all, you're going to draw half-inch border all around. So you're going to measure half-inch from all sides. Put your mark over here on the top, at the bottom, and then another half-inch from the bottom. That's going to be for the title. So then this is a set square. Now this one has 90-degree angle that you're going to use to draw your vertical lines. Okay, for horizontal lines, you're going to use always the T-square. So these are the horizontal lines on that half-inch mark. 2 at the bottom, half-inch apart. Okay, once you have that border, you can darken it because you remember the borderline from alphabet of lines. That is the darkest line. So you need to.
Wait, what are we making?
You are first making the border, and then you're going to start your drawing. So this is how you use the set square to draw vertical lines, and T square to draw horizontal lines.
That was funny.
Okay, then you are going to also draw guidelines for your title. That is going to be 1/8 of an inch from the top line and 1/8 of an inch from the bottom line. Now over here you're going to write your name. So write your name over here. All caps. That's just a drafting convention. Then is going to be the title of the drawing. Whatever the assignment is. Then write the scale. If it is 1:1, then you will write 1:1. And then
Where you going?
date.
Yo, yeah, nigga.
And then you are going to write the block. Okay, so that's it for now.